Hi, this is my friend Paul's bike check. I got a Fit 81 2011 frame, Fit stock forks, Weinman rims, Fit stock hub, front hub, Fit Bike Co tires, F.A.F, Fit F.A.F tires, 2.25 in the front and 2.10 in the back. Got Weinman rim in the back, Fit stock back hub, cassette, Fit stock seat, Fit stock seat post, Fit stock seat clamp, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, Fit cranks stock, Fit Bike Sprocket, KMC chain, what's it called? Fit stock bars, fly brake cable, Textro brake lever, what's it called? Fit grips, bar ends, stock, Fit stock stem, Fit stock compression bolt, and then stock brake cable hanger, and yeah, that's my friend's bike check.